Computer, what is a robot?
As a noun, robot can have a few meanings. 1. A machine that resembles a human and does mechanical, routine tasks on command. 2. A person who acts and responds in a mechanical, routine manner, usually subject to another's will, automaton. 3. Any machine or mechanical device that operates automatically with human-like skill.
Computer, what is computer integrated manufacturing?
From blogs4funny.com. Computer-aided manufacturing is the procedure of using computers, machines, and other program equipment in creating and manufacturing mass-produced work pieces and exchangeable parts.
Computer, what is mechatronics?
Mechatronics engineering, also called mechatronics, is an interdisciplinary branch of engineering that focuses on the integration of mechanical, electrical, and electronic engineering systems, and also includes a combination of robotics, electronics, computer science, telecommunications, systems, control, and product engineering.